So hi guys, for today's video, we have another Japan haul items. This is from CC Keiko again. So pag ganyan yung box, alam niyo na yan guys. So natanggal ko na yung cling wrap niya, yung plastic niya na packaging for safety kasi I got this as Lala Move. Tapos umuulan pa. So yun, para hindi mabasa. So anyway, I show it to you guys kung ano yung mga no-order ko. So, yun. And I'll start now. These are assorted items pa din, guys. I have 3 new seal binders. Para siyang sticker release book. So, this one yung first design. Second. And the third one. Finally, nakahanap na ako ng cinnamoroll na ganito. So, sorry na agad if may maririnig na naman kayo makukulit sa background. Then, we also have Sina tissue. Yan. Then, pencils. Sanrio pencils. We have Hangyodon, My Melo, si Hello Kitty. And these are stationaries na memo pads. Wait lang guys. We have Rila na pens. Pen. Tama. Rila na pen. Sorted memo pads yan guys. May big, may small. Cute nitong panda. So, we also have this one. Alam nyo, nagsisisi ako na hindi ko kinuha yung buong series. Ang cute pala nila in person. So, this is Soufflé. This is yung collab ng Sanrio and Miko illustration. So, this is Kuromi and Soufflé. Syempre, hindi mawawala si Sina and si Latte. And ayun nga guys, sabi ko kanina, nagsisisi ako na hindi ko kinuha yung buong series na plush charm. 4 yan sila. Merong Melody and merong HK. Ay, basta. Akala ko kasi hindi sila cute in person. Iba talaga yung tsura nila sa picture. Ayan sila guys. Pero, ang nakuha ko is yung figure na ganito. Yung blind box figure. But I got the whole set. Yun. Buti na lang. We also have ito. Dry shampoo na Momori as a girly with super oily hair. Must have ko ngayon ang dry shampoo. Super lifesaver. And ito, blind box to again. Blind box, yeah. Yes. Rement na Sina. And we also have file holder sa ilalim. Wait lang, ito hirap tanggalin. Here. File holder. Dati ayaw ko ng file holder. Ngayon gusto ko na. So, yan. I also got this one. Yung Matomage na heat protector. Dahil mahilig ako ngayon mag-curl ng hair. So, yan. Heat protector. And ito po yung remnant na Sina na isasabi ko kanina. So, ayan siya. I got the whole set again. Ito siya, yung makukuha. Diba? Super cute. Ito ang pinaka-favorite ko. Favorite ko sa series na to. Pero lahat yan cute guys. Ayun. So, I decided to get the whole set again. So, ayan guys. Natapos na naman ng another Japan haul items unboxing. More to come. Dapat bubuksan ko pa to next week para kunwari Christmas gift for myself. Kahit na alam ko na kung anong laman talaga lang feel ko lang, so ganun. Until next video guys, thank you again for watching. Bye bye.